In 2009, a CEO sat in front of a national television camera and said on purpose in a paid advertisement, "Our pizza, it tastes like cardboard." Then their stock price went up. Every PR firm, every brand consultant, every MBA textbook tells you the same thing when your product fails. Hide it, spin it, run a flashy campaign and pretend everything is fine. Domino's did the exact opposite. They bought national airtime, looked the entire country in the eye and weaponized their own failure. And it triggered a hidden psychological bias that not only saved them from collapse, it made them more trusted than ever before. It's called the pratfall effect, and it will completely change how you think about building a brand. Let's get into it. For decades, the marketing world has worshipped at the altar of perfection. Every press release is sanitized. Every software update is revolutionary. Every product is the greatest thing since the wheel. But here's the problem. Human psychology is quietly working against you. When a brand appears totally flawless, our brains don't admire it. They flag it. We instinctively label it as fake, and we start hunting for the crack in the armor. In 1966, a social psychologist named Elliot Aronson ran a simple experiment. He listened to two people answering trivia questions. One is brilliant, near perfect, and the other is average. At the very end, something happens. The brilliant person knocks over a cup of coffee, live. You'd expect that to hurt them, but instead, they became more likable and more trustworthy. Aronson called this the pratfall effect. Highly competent people and brands become more magnetic when they show vulnerability. The imperfection makes the competence feel real. Now let's take that into a billion-dollar boardroom. By 2009, Domino's was in a death spiral. Their stock had crashed. They ranked dead last in taste tests. Customers were saying things like, "The crust tastes like cardboard. The sauce tastes like ketchup." The standard move? Quietly fix it, slap a new and improved label, run glossy ads. But customers were immune to that, so Domino's did something uncomfortable. They launched the pizza turnaround campaign. They put real executives on camera reading brutal reviews out loud. And the CEO said, "You're right, and we're going to fix it." This was the ultimate corporate coffee spill. They bypassed consumer skepticism, so when they launched a new recipe, people eventually believed them. Think about why. A company that calls its own product garbage on TV is credible when it says it improved. The confession became the proof. Their stock didn't just recover, it grew over by 2000%. So here's what this means for you. The pratfall effect is not permission to be incompetent. The spill only works if people already know you're good, but still need a great product, non-negotiable. But hiding flaws forces customers to find them. When they do, they share them. Owning your flaws disarms critics before they even speak. In 2026, we can detect fake, polished corporate speak from a mile away. Your customers already know you are not perfect. The only question is, do they hear it from you or from someone else? Stop performing perfection. Start performing honesty. Now here's what I want from you. If you have ever seen a brand publicly own a failure and come out stronger, drop it in the comments. I'm building a follow-up video around the best examples, and I read every single one. See you in the next one.